We are checking your current Claude subscription plan right now to see exactly what features and limits you have access to. Start by opening your web browser, going to Claude AI, and logging into your account. Look at the very bottom left corner of your screen where you see your profile icon, which usually shows your initials. Click on that icon to bring up the main account menu. From the options that pop up, click directly on Settings. This opens up your account configuration page. Now, look at the left sidebar menu and click on the option that says Usage. This page displays your full plan usage limits right at the top. You will immediately see your exact plan name listed here, which will say Free, Pro, Max. Right below your plan name, the page displays a current session usage bar and a weekly usage bar so you can track your exact data capacity. The important thing is that this page gives you complete transparency over your account status. But here's the trade-off to keep in mind. If you choose to downgrade or change your plan from this menu to save money, you will instantly lose access to the higher message limits, faster response times, and priority access to newer AI models during peak hours. In my case, keeping an eye on this usage bar helps prevent getting locked out of conversations mid-sentence when hitting the daily cap. Once you see your plan status, you can just click away or back out of the settings menu to return to your normal chat window. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.